The following video is a MILLTRONICS RH-20 CNC vertical mill. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, let's just go ahead and do all the axes real quick. We're going to start with the hand wheels. They're Y. They're X. All right, I'm going to go ahead and use the electronic jog. They're X. There's our Y. There's our Z. We'll go ahead and do some tool changes. Let's see, MDI. There's 205. We'll do it one more time. 203. All right, we'll go ahead and do a spindle test. Okay, that's 1,000 RPM. That's 3,000 RPM. And that is 6,000 RPM, the maximum for this machine. $47, $3,500, $2,300, $1,100, and off.
Again, the preceding video was a MILLTRONICS RH-20 CNC vertical mill.